everyone, and welcome to my micro class. Today, I will introduce the DataMatrix code to you. What is the DataMatrix code? The DataMatrix code is a matrix two-dimensional code developed by DataMatrix in 1987. It was registered as an ISS standard of AMI in 1996 and registered as an ISO IEC standard in 2000. Structure of the DataMatrix code. DataMatrix code type S includes rectangular and square. The number of units must be even. The previous versions include ECC000, ECC050, ECC080, ECC100, and ECC140. While ECC200 is the latest version, it can be configured as a square or rectangle. They are composed of odd modules, ranging from 9 by 9 to 49 by 49 using convolution correction, because when the data is large, light distortion can interfere with reading. Therefore, older versions are almost never used. The difference between the previous versions and the new version lies in the number of modules on each side. The modules of older versions are odd, while the modules of the new version are even. Now let's look at the ECC200 version of the DataMatrix code. The data area of the DataMatrix code is surrounded by an L-shaped box called the alignment pattern and dotted lines, called the clock pattern. The reader will capture these patterns. Determine the position of the code through image processing technology. Therefore, it can be read from all directions. The DataMatrix code, when the number of modules exceeds 24 by 24, the code is divided into blocks. With no more than 24 modules on each side, this structure prevents code distortion. There are 24 code sizes in this structure, ranging from 10 by 10 modules to 144 by 144 modules. For rectangles, there are 6 sizes. When the number of modules in a code exceeds 26 by 26, for data, when the number of modules exceeds 24 by 24, it is divided into blocks, as shown in the figure. With no more than 24 modules on each side, this structure prevents code distortion. Error correction code, Reed-Solomon code, when part of the DataMatrix code is damaged. The Reed-Solomon code restores the data. Note that in the DataMatrix code, the error correction rate is determined by the symbol, size, and data capacity automatically. Unlike QR codes, it cannot be arbitrarily specified. GS1 DataMatrix. The GS1 DataMatrix code is a two-dimensional code symbol, standardized by GS1 for distribution. It is based on the ECC200 standard and defines the following rules to distinguish it from traditional DataMatrix codes. The GS1 DataMatrix code has the same data structure as the GS1 1-8 code. Therefore, if it is necessary to process large amounts of data, but the printing area is limited, you can use the GS1 DataMatrix code. In addition, the GS1 DataMatrix code will be standardized for the healthcare industry because the code will be printed directly on stainless steel, medical devices, such as scalpels and scissors. Relevant guidelines have been developed. Today's assignment, on January 4, 2022, Jiyang City's first Yuju code two-dimensional code door sign was installed. Regarding the innovative application of two-dimensional barcode technology, do you have any thoughts? That's all for this lesson. See you next time.